YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Wise Owl Outfitters sleeping pad. This is definitely a lightweight sleeping pad. It has very lightweight fabric. It also has these nice rubberized inlays, if you will, that will keep your sleeping bag in one place. It's about, I would say, 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick, about 6.5 feet long, so it does support itself for taller sleepers. I'm 5'4", if I stretch that 3.5 to 4, so it definitely fits my frame just fine. Great thing about this sleeping pad is it comes with its own dry bag, and that also serves as an inflation device. If you see here, it's just a one-way valve that's on the bag, and then this dry bag has this little opening right here. Just put it right on there, and then you fluff up the dry bag with air, and it inflates the sleeping pad. So to inflate it, you just have the dry bag catch some air, and this thing is huge. I mean, you're gonna get a lot of air in that. Look at that. And it only took me about 2 bagfuls of air to really get it up there, probably 3 to finish it off. But I had it inflated a while. Just gonna double check and make sure that it's got enough air in the bag. And you can see that it quite clearly does, because no more air is going in it, but this thing's huge. Look how much air it will go in there. So you're not gonna be here forever inflating this sleeping pad. Then once it's done inflating, you just carefully pry off the dry bag. It's a one-way air valve, so it's gonna keep the air in, and you just close it up. So I have laid on this for quite a while, and it has been very comfortable for a lightweight sleeping pad. I actually like sleeping pads that are a little bit thicker, but if I was going lightweight, this is definitely a very good option if I'm backpacking. So being 5'4", and having the pad here, my feet hit the end of it, but I'm also shifted down a little bit. So I would say that if you're extremely tall, this might not be the sleeping pad for you. I'm talking if you're like 6'6" and above. But if you're like me, or below that, this will definitely fit your body. Now, I am a side sleeper, so I like sleeping on my side like this, and it's still very comfortable. I mean, I'm really impressed with this lightweight Wise Owl Outfitters sleeping pad, because unlike others, it actually really supports your body well with the design of the cushioning on it. So I really like it, and I've slept on it for a little bit here and there in this tent, and it's been great. The other thing is too, they have these rubberized spots right here on the pillow, which does not shift around, right there underneath the sleeping pillow, and also down here, so you're not gonna shift around with your sleeping bag on top of it. It actually does stop you from slipping around on this lightweight sleeping pad. Overall, I would highly recommend the Wise Owl Outfitters sleeping pad. It's comfortable. You could sleep on your side or on your back. It depends on what type of sleeper you are. Extremely lightweight, so I would recommend it for backpacking. If you're just camping out, you're glamping, you might want to go with something a little bit more thicker, but this will definitely do the job in either case. It's just that it's extremely lightweight and easily portable. Cons, there really is not a lot. Again, it's personal preference. I like a thicker sleeping pad, but if I had to go lightweight and it's all about weight, I would have no worries at all taking the Wise Owl Outfitters sleeping pad with me. So there's really no cons to be said. It's personal preference. If you'd like to purchase your Wise Owl Outfitters sleeping pad, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all that you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.